Ah, good morning. It's sun's starting to come up a little bit. It's I don't know, 6:30 in the morning, something like that. We're heading into the shop. We're going to see what we can get into today. And I don't know what we've got planned. We got to get something going here. I know we've got a couple of pieces of equipment laying around. This old beast we've had a couple of times. It's still doing something wrong. I think it's just plain wore out. But anyways, I think what we're going to start on, the one that's more important, is going to be this one here. It's a Stihl BG50. Customer stated it was just been rolling around in the back of the truck for a while, and he don't know what in the world's going on with it. Could be water in the gas, he said. He didn't know. It just won't crank. That's his whole thing. So it looks like it's been rolled around a little bit. Kind of an older one. So anyways, we're going to probably go ahead. Let's see what we can do with it. We'll get started on this. Maybe I'll set this up on a tripod and just kind of let you watch for a little while. So let me go to the tripod. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got a tripod on here. It looks like it's a pretty comfortable day out. Let's see. It's 6:55 in the morning, 75 degrees. It's August the 23rd, 2025. There, put some dates on here. Don't know if anybody ever watched this, but anyways, we get into a lot of these darn small engine stuff. We just kind of have to figure out what's going on with them. Like I say, he thought maybe there was water in the gas. Got my little thing here. We'll stick that all the way down in the bottom. Let's see if he's got it right. We'll dump it in my container here. And see if we do have water in the gas. Well, we just keep taking it off the bottom there, and let's see, I don't know, can you pick up on that at all? Let's see if we can show you. I would say that definitely, the little bubbles down there in the bottom, that definitely has water in the gas, so that'll be step number one. Let's dump out that gas and flush out the tank. It's going to be number one, so let's get rid of that little bit there. Okay. And once we do that, we go ahead and pump all that gas back out of the carburetor, because we don't want all that water in there either. Make sure we get it all out of it. And it's still, if you're looking down into the tank, you can still see gas. I don't know if you could see it from that, but you just kind of watch, make sure all of it's blowed out, because you'll have the return coming back into the tank. And I don't want a bunch of water in it. And it's up into the fuel lines and whatever. Get them all drained out. Let's see if we got. And while we got it empty, we might as well go ahead and see if we can reach down in there and grab that filter out. Let's just make sure it's not in bad shape. That looks pretty decent. I think we're good to go on that. Hose is still pliable, so let's shove that back down in there a little ways. Get all the way into the bottom here somehow. There we go. So that don't look too bad. And like I say, we've got all the water out of there, and we can definitely see how much was in there again. I don't know, let's see if we can kind of aim it down. You can probably see all the little bubbles down there. The water goes right to the bottom, so definitely not good. That might be all it was. It's just trying to run on water. Tank looks clean. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just grab up a little bit of gas, put some fresh gas in there. We're gonna pull it over a couple times, see what it does. And I don't know if they used engineered gas or whatever in here. I always mix my own. I just prefer mixing my own. For one, it's a whole lot cheaper, and I know exactly how old it is and know whether it's good or bad. I think I put enough in there to try to get this thing to run. And this will at least flush all that old gas out of there too. So. Okay, let's see here. Chokes up that way. Power is on. I'm just going to pull it over a time or two, see what it does. I'm going to have to get it down here a little closer to the floor where I can get a hold of it, I think. Took it off. Choke, it died. Let's. Okay, well, we know that's good. It's not, I'm having to run that thing. Let's see. Okay, that is, well, actually, I didn't have it on choke. I thought I did. That's off choke. Okay, so it's actually going. Let's check the filter and just make sure it's clean. And it is definitely not clean, so we'll go ahead and replace the filter. See if we can keep all that stuff out of there. That'll be crowding it a little bit. So let me see if I can find us a new filter for it. Okay, we got a new filter. We stuck that on in there. Let's clean this off a little bit. And we'll shove this back in here. Alright, let's go ahead. I'm going to fire this back up, see if it's going full throttle. Sometimes that's all it takes to get one of these bad boys running. Let's see what we can do here. It's still on. Okay, that looks like that's going to do just fine. I think that's kind of wraps that up. That's what it takes to get an old one going. Almost hate to charge people when all I have to do is dump the gas out, put some fresh in there, a clean air filter, and she's good to go. So on to something else. It's still early. That didn't take a whole lot of time. Let's see, we're at a big 7:03 already, and 75 degrees still the same day. That's all it is on that one. We'll go on to something different. Well, I was going to go on to another project, but looks like the wife decided to make us a little bit of breakfast. So I think I'm going to just call this one good. This was a good quick video. Sometimes that's all we need. Hey, got it cleaned up a little bit too. Threw a little bit of cleaner on there. Got it looking a little bit better, just so the customer knows I did care for his piece of equipment, and it always looks nicer. Anyways, I think I'm going to go eat some breakfast, and yeah, that's all there was to it. So thanks for watching. We'll check with you on the next project, and I don't know if we're going to look into maybe this beast on another one. We'll see. Thanks again. Hit that like and subscribe. It's always appreciated.